Welcome back to Aviation This Week. Today's edition is brought to you by Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. I'm John Robinson of Wings and Helicopters, and this is your aviation news. Our top story: Billy Bishop completes its 3-year Airfield Rehabilitation Program. Then, Bombardier renames its Global Completion Center in honor of Laurent Beaudoin. And AirMedic reaches an agreement for 3 EC-145E helicopters. We'll have all your aviation news right after this quick message from our sponsor. Billy Bishop Toronto Airport has completed its $35 million 3-year rehabilitation program, which included the reconstruction of runways and taxiways. Much of the airfield infrastructure was built in the 1960s. Paid for by Ports Toronto, the program also included the installation of new LED lighting and the construction of a ground run-up enclosure to reduce noise reaching Toronto's downtown. Because Billy Bishop has only one main runway, much of the program's construction was completed overnight when the airport was closed to air traffic. Approximately 2.8 million passengers travel through the airport each year. Aviation consulting firm WSP Canada played a primary role in the planning, design, and construction phase inspection for the project. In recognition of his contributions to Bombardier's development, Laurent Beaudoin's name is now enshrined on the company's Global Completion Center in Dorval, Quebec. Under Beaudoin's leadership, the Global Express aircraft made its first flight in 1996. In 1998, the facility became home to some of the company's most skilled designers, engineers, and artisans. The Laurent Beaudoin Completion Center was recently enlarged to host interior completion activities for the Global 7500 aircraft. Beaudoin was president and later chairman of Bombardier from 1966 to 2015. He retired in May 2018 after 55 years with the company. Bombardier explains his vision transformed the company from its origins as a snowmobile manufacturer into a global aerospace and rail transportation giant. AirMedic, the only privately owned air medical provider in Quebec, agreed to purchase 3 Airbus EC-145E helicopters from Metro Aviation. Metro explains these will be the first EC-145E models in Canada. The first 2 aircraft are to be delivered in the first quarter of 2019, with the final helicopter delivered in Q3. The new helicopters bring the company's total fleet to 9, entirely dedicated to EMS. The new EC-145E aircraft will be completed at Metro's facility in Shreveport, Louisiana, and equipped with Metro's EMS interior, as well as the Genesis HeliSAS 3-axis autopilot stability system, and EFIS for single dual pilot IFR operation. Metro explains they expect an IFR certification for HeliSAS for the EC-145E by late December before pursuing Transport Canada certification. Metro Aviation will also provide training for AirMedic utilizing its EC-145E Level D full motion simulator. This is Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks again to our sponsor, Aviation, your aviation solutions provider.